This 23-year-old is now a self-made millionaire after starting his own business. This 24-year-old now makes over $100,000 a month. This 25-year-old is a very successful e-commerce entrepreneur. There is Warren Buffett, of course, who is a billionaire and mostly earns his money while he sleeps. And then there is you, who might be struggling to get there. This might be you. This might be you. But this right here could be your life right now. So what is stopping you from starting? Remember this, if you can't earn while you sleep, you'll have to work until you're 6 feet, sadly. So here are 5 passive income ideas you can start today. I'm already doing at least one of them, and you can choose the one which best suits your personality and your style. So idea number 1, millennials, is starting an online store. If you've got electricity, you've got a mobile phone, and you've got an internet service, then you are good to go for this point. Because you can start this business anywhere you find yourself in the world. With the rise of e-commerce, so many people have become millionaires just by starting an online store. Well, it seems oversaturated, but it's actually not saturated yet. Hear me out. You should understand that every single day, people need to buy stuff for their homes, people need to buy stuff for their offices, for themselves, or even their kids. So online businesses will always exist. Of course, by using an option like dropshipping, you do not even have to worry about inventory, fulfillment, and even the shipping. And the fun part about it all, millennials, is that you can sell anything you want, from clothing to jewelry to digital products. You can sell some on Etsy and Amazon and a couple of other websites which can definitely help you with the fulfillment and with the shipping to be able to get your products to the consumer. So in this case, millennials, what you just need to do is make sure that you can drive as much traffic as possible to your online store in order to start securing all of the sales possible. Now, how do you drive traffic to your online store? You've got a social media account, right? You've got Facebook, you've got Twitter, you've got Instagram, you've got TikTok. You can use all of this to be able to drive traffic to your website. Because once you find a suitable product that so many people want and people love, you can easily make a video review about it and then post it on each of these sites. Just make short videos. And of course, for your product description, you can of course look at other similar products to yours, or you can go to ChatGPT and you can find other options where you can write amazing product descriptions for your product. Oh, and I know you might be asking yourself, but in my country, I can't even do this. How do I even start an online store? Well, I have good news for you. If you find yourself in a country where all of these online supply options are not available, you can start your own website and start promoting the website on all of your social media platforms by directing all of the traffic from your social media accounts to your website. But you should know that with this, if you do not have a handmade product, you can definitely link up with someone in China or someone who buys from China. I am here available for you. I'll tell you more around the end of this video, so stay tuned. And it doesn't matter what country you find yourself in, because goods from China can be shipped to almost every country. So if you are watching this video right now, you are in love, because I'm gonna offer my services free just for you. And well, millennials, if creating an online store doesn't match with your personality or your style, idea number 2 might just cut it for you: creating an online course. As the saying goes, learning never ends. It truly never ends, because at every point in life, we need to learn something new. We either need to learn something about school, or we need to learn a skill that will help us in life. Remember, school teaches so many things about how to get into the job market, how to start your life, but it doesn't teach you the insight about making money. And it also doesn't teach you how to go about spending that money and multiplying that money. So here's where online courses come into play. If you have any skill in doing something, if you have a skill in carpentry, if you have a skill in plumbing, if you have a skill in baking, in website design, you can create an online course and make money out of that course. And of course, you can make passive income out of that course. And guys, you should know this: when we talk about creating an online course, it doesn't mean that you are gonna sit there every single day teaching people. This is the future, guys. Technology has made everything much easier. Well, the very first way you can make money out of creating a course is to make an account on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare, where so many people are already making tons of money. Of course, they get their cut, but then you have the second option. If you do not want to share your cut with the platforms, you can create your own course and then drive traffic to your own website. You just need to make sure that your course is highly marketable and a high income skill, or a skill that's very helpful in life. And if you are choosing to create your website by yourself, you can choose to make it subscription based, maybe monthly, biannually, or annually, depending on the type of course that you are offering and the type of clientele that you are offering to. Imagine that from your social media accounts, you drive traffic to about 50 persons who come to your website and register for maybe about $15 a month, or maybe even $10 a month. And let's say 50 persons times $15. How much would that be? That would be about $750 each and every single month. The very next amazing passive income business idea is investing in real estate. For this point, I know you might be asking yourself, But venturing into real estate is a lot of money. Where am I going to get the money from? How do I even get $100,000, or how do I even get millions of francs or millions of naira just to venture into real estate? Well, guys, hear me out. Hear me out. Well, the first part of this point is going to require a chunk of money for you to be able to invest in real estate. But then I'll explain another option which you can make some money out of real estate without actually breaking the bank and needing a whole lot of money to be able to start. You can start making some money even without any money in real estate. Now, here's what you got to do. Of course, it requires huge capital, which I wouldn't advise you to go get a loan to get into the real estate business because it can be unpredictable. But then here's the catch, guys. If you do not have any money at all, no matter where you find yourself in the world, what you can do is this. I'm sure in your area there's so many houses that landlords are giving out for rent, right? Huge complexes, huge apartments, and sometimes they struggle to get tenants for these buildings. I know there's already companies that do this, but what you can do is this. You can negotiate with the landlord or maybe the landlady and tell them, okay, maybe if I bring tenants to your complex or to your apartment, about 2 or 3 tenants, I get maybe a 2% or a 3% or 4 or maybe even 5% cut from the amount that they're about to pay to you. Most landlords would accept this because they need tenants to be able to fill these apartments. Imagine that you get about 5 or 10 clients for the landlord. Now, each of them pay about $2,000 a month, and maybe you get about $50 or maybe even $25. Now, $25 or $10 times 10. In this case, what you just need to do is make sure that you go to platforms where you can find tenants who are searching for houses to rent or apartments to rent in that area. Idea number 4, affiliate marketing, which has become a very popular way for people to promote other people's products by becoming an affiliate and earning a commission or a percentage of the sales for that product. And of course, one of the most popular websites which you can check out is ClickBank, which has tons and tons of products which you can promote. And of course, they'll give your own unique affiliate link, which you just need to get that link and then share it out to as many people as possible. And if anyone clicks that link and buys the product, you get a percentage from that sale. And of course, guys, there's not just ClickBank, there's also Amazon Associates. If you're advertising something, if you are talking about something, for example, if you are a YouTuber and you are talking about your mic, you're talking about your laptop, you're talking about your light, or anything that you're using for that video, you can ask your viewers to check out in the description. And of course, they will get the links from there. When they click on the link, they go to the website, and if they buy something from the website, you get a percentage into your account. You can use all the viewers on your social media and convert them into customers. And now, millennials, I'm going to ask you a question. What's your passion? Do you have a passion for writing? Would you like to make money out of writing? Well, it's very possible these days, guys. You can definitely make money from writing. You can write ebooks, you can write novels, and you can publish them on Amazon. So if you want to make money with your writing passion, you can start writing books. And the good thing about this is that once you write the book and you publish it on Amazon stores, what you can do is just maybe promote the book and encourage people to go to the Amazon store and buy the book. And of course, as your sales increase on the book, your money is also going to increase in your bank account. And that is how your passive income stream also increases. And yes, an amazing tip, millennials, if you lack the motivation or you're thinking about how you are going to write a book for yourself which will really attract people to read that book, you can start with ChatGPT. It's an amazing technology which can definitely help you start your writing career. And now, before we end this video, millennials, if you have any more questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. If you want to know how you can buy from China, feel free, drop it down in the comment section and I'll definitely reply to you and we can link up. Why not? I am offering my services for the next 6 months free of charge for anyone who needs to understand how to source goods from China, how to get goods from China, maybe even get your brand name on the goods and how to get it to your country. Wherever you are, it doesn't matter. Boundaries are no limits. The world is a global village. So if you want to start, if you are a viewer or subscriber to this channel, I'm here to encourage you for free. So I can give you all the ideas you need. I can give you all the tips you need, and you'll be able to start your own business and make your passive income on the go. Oh, but then if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because there's more amazing stuff and offers coming for you on this channel. Feel free to check out this video right here which talks about ChatGPT and how you can go about accessing ChatGPT for your own benefit and how to start writing your own ebook. Don't forget, as always, this is Willen. See you next time.